Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify reload page. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify reload page, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list you will enter to the window of Spotify. Then this page we click up in this page of app info we click for stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will find here an install. You can wait a moment to install again your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.